Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change ear tips on your headphones QCY T9. You have to start by gently pull the current ear tip of the earbud. Right here, and the second one. Here we go. Now select the new ear tip size, what is good for you. Let's say that's okay for me. And now align the new ear tip with the earbud nozzle. And with the second one. Here we go. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!